Hey there, speculators. It is Roderick, lead derivatives trader, futures on fire, part of the TDG or Traders Dev Group of trading companies. Hey, in tonight's video, going to be real quick. We just got an extreme turn buy on Bitcoin on the daily and the weekly. So this is using our extreme turn signal. You can find out more about that by looking at the description below. If for some reason we don't have a link there yet at the time you're watching this video, just hit the like and subscribe button and you'll be notified of other videos in this series where I talk about how well this extreme turn signal can pick both tops and bottoms at extreme levels. And at the time I'm making this, we are in a very extreme market conditions, and they are now going after Bitcoin, dropping it, as you can see, all the way from about 10,000 just a few weeks ago, all the way to below 5,000. So I use this opportunity to pick up two coins tonight at just below 4,800. So and you can see the signal right there. So I have not done any kind of trades in Bitcoin in quite a while. I'm really more of a HODL, H-O-D-L, but I'm using the extreme turn to pick my spots here. So anyway, that's the update for tonight. Plenty of other opportunities and extreme turns that we're seeing in here, but I decided to just limit it to just this one purchase after hours here, because gosh knows there's plenty of opportunities that are happening throughout the market. I'm making this at a time in which we're experiencing the world health crisis associated with the coronavirus, if you happen to be watching it at another time. Again, my name is Trader Roderick with Futures on Fire and TDG. Reminding you, always trade like you mean it. Thanks.